In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add significance values to a bar graph with standard deviation in Excel. We're going to create a simple bar graph from sample data and then add custom error bars using your standard deviation values. This is a great way to make your chart more informative and more suitable for reports, presentations, or basic data analysis. Start by opening Excel. Once you're in, enter your sample data into the worksheet. For this example, your data should include a group column, a mean column, and a standard deviation column. Keeping the data organized in separate columns will make the chart setup much easier and help avoid mistakes later when we add the error bars. Next, select the group and mean columns. These are the values Excel will use to create the main bar graph. The group column will become the category labels along the horizontal axis, and the mean column will determine the height of each bar. Now go to the Insert tab in the top menu. From there, click Column Chart and then choose Clustered Column. This will insert a standard bar style chart based on the data you selected. If your chart appears a little plain at first, that's completely normal. We'll improve it in the next steps. Click directly on the chart so Excel knows you want to edit the chart elements. Then go to Add Chart Element. From that menu, check Error Bars to add them to the chart. At this stage, Excel may insert default error bars automatically, but since we want to use the exact standard deviation values from our worksheet, we'll customize them. After adding the error bars, click More Options. This opens the formatting panel where you can control how the error bars behave. In the error bar options, select Custom, then click Specify Value. This is the key step that allows you to link the error bars to your own data instead of using Excel's preset calculations. For the positive error value, select the cells C2 through C4. These should contain your standard deviation values. Then, for the negative error value, select C2 through C4 again. Using the same range for both positive and negative values creates symmetrical error bars, which is typically what you want when displaying standard deviation around a mean. Once you confirm those selections, Excel will update the chart and display your custom error bars on each column. This makes the graph much more useful because it shows not just the average values, but also the variability in your data. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.